A world increasingly run by artificial intelligence, two tech titans are battling for dominance: OpenAI and Google. Their flagship AI models, ChatGPT and Gemini 2, have quickly become the most powerful tools in the hands of developers, students, creators, and everyday users. But a question looms large. Is Google's Gemini 2 smarter than ChatGPT? Or is it all hype? This is not just a face-off of code and data. It's a battle of philosophies, ecosystems, and the future of human-machine interaction. In this video, we break down these two AIs across 10 categories, from intelligence and creativity to coding, privacy, and real-world use. Welcome to the ultimate AI showdown. The contenders: ChatGPT versus Gemini 2. On one side, we have ChatGPT by OpenAI, specifically the GPT-4o model, which blends natural language processing, image recognition, file understanding, and real-time voice interaction into a single, sleek interface. Its ability to generate human-like responses, explain complex topics, write code, and analyze documents has made it the gold standard of conversational AI. On the other side, enters Google Gemini 2, the upgraded version of Google's original Bard. Now rebranded and rebuilt under DeepMind's vision, Gemini 2 is designed from the ground up to be multimodal, understanding and generating text, images, and even video. With native integration into Android devices, Google Docs, Gmail, YouTube, and Search, Gemini 2 isn't just another chatbot. It's embedded in your digital life. User interface and ecosystem integration. The user experience begins with accessibility. ChatGPT is available via the OpenAI app and web platform. It supports voice, text, and image inputs, and allows for file uploads and document analysis, especially powerful when using GPT-4o. Gemini 2, meanwhile, is deeply tied to the Google ecosystem. It's baked into Android devices, the Google search bar, and apps like Gmail and Docs. For Android and Google Power users, this integration feels seamless and efficient. But for those outside the Google environment, it can feel less flexible. In terms of interface design, ChatGPT still leads with its unified, clutter-free workspace and faster transitions between modes. Reasoning and intelligence. When it comes to pure intelligence and logical reasoning, ChatGPT has long held the edge. Its responses tend to be more detailed, context-aware, and emotionally intelligent. Whether it's solving complex riddles, explaining abstract concepts, or generating creative ideas, ChatGPT often feels more thoughtful. Gemini 2, however, is catching up fast. In recent benchmarks, it has outperformed GPT-4 in some multimodal tasks, especially those requiring a blend of visual and textual reasoning. When tasked with analyzing an image of a math problem and solving it, Gemini 2 was quicker and more accurate. But when asked to write a long-form business strategy or story plot, ChatGPT still delivered a richer, more coherent narrative. Live internet access. This is one area where Google shines. Gemini 2 has real-time internet access by default, which means it can fetch live data, like today's weather, stock prices, or breaking news, within seconds. ChatGPT, even in GPT-4o mode, still requires activation of its browsing feature and can be slower, often citing limitations or avoiding live content. For users who need up-to-date information without switching tabs, Gemini's speed and accuracy give it a clear advantage. Coding and technical tasks. Both AIs can write code, but how well? ChatGPT is widely used by developers for code generation, debugging, and explanations. It supports numerous languages, including Python, JavaScript, and C++, and explains each step in human-readable terms. Gemini 2 also supports code and integrates natively with Google Colab and Android Studio, making it a strong companion for mobile developers. However, in side-by-side testing, ChatGPT consistently generated cleaner, better structured code with more context and fewer errors. For technical tasks requiring depth and clarity, ChatGPT remains the preferred choice. Creativity, writing, scripts, and content. Creativity is where ChatGPT truly shines. It can write poems, movie scripts, YouTube videos, marketing campaigns, or fictional conversations with striking fluency. The GPT-40 model, in particular, adds emotional nuance, pacing, and even humor. Gemini 2 is fast, but its writing often feels more robotic and formulaic. While it can produce good summaries and ideas quickly, it lacks the creative spark that makes ChatGPT feel like a co-creator. For content creators, scriptwriters, and marketers, ChatGPT is still king. Multimodal capabilities, voice, images, files. Gemini 2 was built for multimodal interaction, and it performs well. You can upload photos, interact with videos, and issue voice commands, especially on Android. But ChatGPT's GPT-40 model took multimodality to the next level. With it, users can show an image of a menu, a math problem, or a chart and get immediate, intelligent responses. Voice interactions feel natural and expressive. You can even talk with it like a real assistant. File uploads like PDFs, Word docs, and code files are processed quickly, with detailed summaries and search capabilities. Privacy and data use. This is where the philosophies behind these AIs differ significantly. Google has historically monetized data, and while Gemini 2 promises privacy and user control, many remain skeptical. ChatGPT, on the other hand, gives users the ability to turn memory on or off, delete conversations, and choose whether to use their data for training. For users concerned about AI privacy, ChatGPT offers more transparency and control, though neither platform is 100% immune from data risks. Free versus paid, what do you get? Gemini 2 is free to many users, especially those with Android phones or Google accounts. The advanced features are accessible via a Google One AI premium plan, but the free version is already powerful. ChatGPT, on the other hand, offers GPT 3.5 for free and GPT-40 for $20 a month. The GPT-40 version gives access to the most advanced features: voice, vision, memory, browsing, and plugins. While ChatGPT offers more depth, Gemini 2 offers more breadth at no cost, especially for casual users. So, which AI is smarter? After testing them across 10 categories, the answer isn't black and white. Gemini 2 is faster, better integrated with Google tools, and ideal for users who want live information, Android compatibility, and speed. It's a strong rival, and in some ways an upgrade, over ChatGPT in daily utility. But ChatGPT still leads in areas that matter most to power users: deeper reasoning, creativity, long-form understanding, and versatility across complex tasks. For content creators, researchers, and developers, ChatGPT offers an unmatched blend of fluency and intelligence. The truth is, they're both incredibly smart, but in different ways. One's a fast-thinking assistant, the other's a deep-thinking companion. So, what do you think? Is Gemini 2 the future of AI? Or does ChatGPT still wear the crown? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear which AI you trust more. And if you want more breakdowns, comparisons, and tools that are shaping the next chapter of human-AI collaboration, don't forget to subscribe to AI Insider, because the AI race is heating up, and we're here to guide you through every twist.